talk about fruits. Colors so bright, they're yummy to eat, a pure delight. Let's learn their names, it's fun to try. Fruits make us healthy, let's reach for the sky. Apple, banana, orange, pear, yummy fruits we all can share. Blueberries, strawberries, grapes so fine. Eat fruits makes us feel so fine. Apples are red, bananas are yellow, oranges are orange, mellow and mellow. Pears are green, a crunchy surprise. Let's eat